Let's talk about Web3 in a bit. Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. This is 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦𝗧𝗏𝗧𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 forex, and whatever that will help you grow. All right, every life hacks. All right, so stay tuned to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like my videos because it boosts my morale. All right, let's move on. So let's talk about Web3. Web3, you've been hearing about Web3, and let me explain what Web3 actually is all about. All right. Now, with the evolution of the cryptocurrency, a lot of things are actually evolving. A lot of different technologies are actually evolving, and a lot of ideas that has been looming and booming for the past centuries, for the past years, have actually come alive. So, in simple sense, Web3 is coming like the cryptocurrency, where users get to hold some percentage of shares into the Web3 itself. So, in simple sense, this is Web3. All right, let me use just a simple analogy to explain Web3 before we go on with the video. In Web1 is the read only. You just read. All right, you can't do anything. Like a displayed website, just a standalone website. Then Web2, you can read and write. All right, so it's just like reading, interacting with people, using Facebook, writing, sending back and forth, Instagram, and all those other platforms. And this Web2, your data is actually controlled by the central server of those companies. All right, so which means they can actually sell your data. Most times they say that's why you have customized ads sent to you. If you're fond of taking loan, you see loan ads all the time. If you're fond of doing business, you see business ads all the time. Then Web3, you are totally in control. You can read, you can write, and you own. All right, so you are in control of your own data. You don't have to send anybody data. You don't have to. In fact, you control your own data. All right, nobody can. Even as your data travel through the internet, nobody hijacks it. All right, so that's just a simple sense. All right, so to explain it better, now we have Web1, and then we have Web2, and then we are getting to the age of Web3 right now. So just like I said that there is evolution since the cryptocurrency evolution, there are other innovations coming up. We've heard about the metaverse that are trying to connect the real life reality with virtual gaming. All right, where you can actually buy virtual land, virtual gaming. They are trying to make real life activities virtual in exchange for physical or actual factual commodity, factual cash like cryptocurrency or money. All right, in exchange for money. All right, so Web3 is coming up for users to like have a shareholding, like coming as decentralized DeFi. All right, so although all these things have their disadvantages, all right, they also have a very great advantages. All right, so now let me start explaining from Web1 to Web2 to Web3. Don't worry, it's not going to be a long video, it's just going to be as short as possible. But if I don't, I need to explain it this way so that you guys can actually grab it very well. All right, so now Web1, before now, before now you could just go onto the internet and then just type a website directly, www dot, let's for instance tradex.com or www.amazon.com. Before now it was just a static web page, and to be honest then it was really great. But right now, looking at it from the eye of the current eye of internet right now, it was really a boring one. Because okay, so if you wanted to do anything, you just go to a static web page. All right, before now. All right, that one was Web 1. All right, so I believe now everyone now you then most persons majority does not have access to Web 1. All right, just a very selected few had access to Web 1. Right now, everyone have access to Web 2. The current age we are right now is Web 2. So if you have YouTube, uh, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp on your phone, then you are actually using Web 2. So all this one that Web 2 has to do with an age where users actually interact with the website and there's a kind of ping back. All right. So you send message, another users receive, and back and forth. So Web 1 is just the website that feeds you information. But this Web 2 age, both users and website feeds each other with information. All right. So that's the social media age. Everything comes in. Now, in this Web 2, users are actually is actually centralized. All right, like the Facebook. If Facebook decide to shut down today, everybody. Okay, I could remember a time whereby Facebook there was outage in Facebook. All right, just within 24 hours outage. Was it up to 24 hours? I think it was less than 12 hours outage on Facebook. You couldn't say, no one could send message on Facebook or WhatsApp or Instagram. Everybody fell back to Twitter. All right. So uh, until when it was fixed. All right. So Facebook is actually centralized. All right, which means once the admin of Facebook decide to shut it down, everybody goes out. All right. So the Web3 now is coming in such a way that if users can have a percentage stake in it, such that if you decide, if the ones with the largest percentage decide what will happen, all right, or the entire users, if whatever that is decided, whatever happens in Web3 is a collective decision. All right, so Web3 is going to virtually take over a lot, like ranging from banking, SMS, content, payments, gateway, and gaming. But one thing I've noticed is most big company owners like Elon Musk or the owner of Twitter, they are not actually in support of Web3. All right, probably maybe because that is going to kick them out of business or whatever something happens in Web3 is a collective decision. It's just like a cryptocurrency now. So let's say Shiba Inu coin. I don't know why I like Shiba Inu. I want to be calling the name of this coin. I want to make analogy. What's going on? All right, just like the Shiba Inu coin right now. So if users get to make more decision about the token, because if one person have a larger percentage of the token Shiba Inu, once that person decides to sell, there will be a down pull on the market. All right, but once collectively users decide to keep buying or keep holding, the coin becomes stable. It stands on a stable ground. So that's how Web3 is actually coming in. I hope you get it right now. So it's creeping in just the same way Metaverse crept in, and there are actually tokens that are created on that Web3. All right. So as time goes on, I'll keep updating you guys on how to go about it, on what it is, on what actually you should do to actually make money with it. All right, and I've always been shouting on this channel because I actually want every single person subscribed to this channel to make a decent income in the future or become rich decently. All right, so I've also always been shouting cryptocurrency is more than buying and holding now. It's more than buying and holding now. You need a skill in cryptocurrency, and you need to understand what things are actually about. You need to get a factual information about how things operate on cryptocurrency. Learn NFT, learn the token creation, learn Web3, learn Metaverse. All these things are actually beneficial, very, very beneficial in the long run. All right, and it's a new industry. Everybody have equal opportunity right now to actually get in, so that when it gets to a very looming stage, you won't say, okay, I wasn't informed. All right, then your children will be like, Dad, all right, or Mom. So right now, okay, I don't want to say that. So I believe you all get it right now. So please, if you actually enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Subscribe. Subscribe now.